Hey, what's going on? Do you want to find a way how you could crush it on Instagram? Now, I'm going to show you in this video how to make $25 per day without having a following. You don't have to have a huge Instagram account, but I'm going to show you how you can make $25 every single day just by doing this method. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here, my name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways I could share my knowledge with you so you could go out there and you could crush it. Now, on this channel, as you can see, I have a ton of videos. So feel free to scroll through here and you could find something that will make you money, because that's what I talk about. And these methods works, and as long as you apply them, you should be up and running in no time. So again, I'm gonna share with you how to make $25 per day on Instagram without no following. This doesn't have to do with affiliate marketing or anything, but this has to do with you putting some time. Now, I'm not going to tell you that, hey, listen, you're going to put in, an hour there, an hour two, and don't make that and make that money right away. You got to put the work in, and it will work for you, because I have a friend who's actually doing it right now, and he only do it like a couple hours a day, but he's very specific of how he does it. Now I'm going to share that with you. So again, watch this video all the way to the end. So on Instagram, as you know, Instagram is popular, Instagram is hot. And on this video, what I'm sharing with you, you could do this. So these stories or highlights, I should call it. There's a lot of people that do not know how to build those cute little pretty highlights. This is one of my friends on Instagram, and what you could do, you could reach out to those people. Reach out to them and say, hey, I realize that you have no specific highlights. Is there a reason why you don't have any? Anyways, I can offer my service. I do highlight services, and I can make cute highlights for you so you could put them and you can add them to these different things. There's so many people out there do not have a clue how to make them. It's not like they don't want to, because everybody likes to be cool. For example, let me go over and check a few different Instagram accounts. So I'm going to go on a motivational account and see if they have, right? This right here, they have over 829,000 people, and they don't have those cute little highlights. So I'm going to check another one again. Let's go with cars. This one right here, this person put review. They at least have something there, right? So inventory, and they have customer review. So they have pictures already laid out. They have highlights that you can make. I'm going to check on another one so you can see. Let's check out a food one. Food Network. So if you look at Food Network, these are big companies, and don't be afraid to even reach out to these people. That's totally fine, because again, most of these people don't know how to do it. They have zero clue of how to do it. So let me just pull up Google right now, and I'm just going to give you a template that you can use so you could go out there and you can, let me see, Google Docs. All right, so I'm going to pull this up, get a Google document for you. So I'm doing this live as I create this video. So this is not like scripted and all the type of stuff. I like to keep things real, keep it fresh. So what I would do would be like, hello, right? Hello, whatever username of the person, right? Or Instagram name. Let me put Instagram name. So you put Instagram name. So this right here is a great template that you could go out and use. So you say, hello, hope all is well. You have a great Instagram account, by the way, but I've noticed you have no highlights, cover photo, this would really make your account stand out. So you want to make it like that, right? You want to always give a compliment. Hey, you have a great Instagram account. By the way, I've noticed, let me just clear it. I've noticed that you have no highlights cover photo. This, right, highlights cover photo. This would really make your account stand out if you add that little touch, right? Something in that area. And then you can say, I offer my services to create account, to create highlights. So you can either do it the free way or you can do it the paid way. The free way is you reaching out to people and offer your service, right? And then I'm going to show you a place that you can go and create them. Or you reach out to people, you get the business, then you could go to Fiverr.com. But I'll tell you more about that. So stay with me. So let's go through this, right? I offer my services. I offer my services to create highlights for highlights. Yeah, for highlights, right? You can even put $5 for one. No, you always want to do bundle. $5 for three, $10 for $5 for three, $10 for 10. You want to make it, you know, a nice little sweet spot. Or you could say seven. $10 for seven, right? $15 for 25. Something in that lines. So you always want to make it sweet. You know, make it sweet. You could put the prices, and you don't really have to put the prices right away either. You could just build that conversation without, take this off first. So most people, how they think that, okay, I need to copy paste and drop it on people. Yeah, you could make money doing that on Instagram, right? You can make $25 doing the same thing. However, you always want to connect with that person, ask them a question, build that conversation. It's totally cool. So you don't seem weird, like you're just hitting somebody. You know, hello, hope all is well. You have a great Instagram account, by the way. You know, I've noticed you have no highlights photo. You should add that feature. It would really separate you from the crowd. So I'm just changing up a little bit from the crowd. All right. Most times what I would do, and what I used to do, I used to look at someone's Instagram account first. For example, I'm gonna pull up one of my friends because she has some really cool, really cool Instagram. Let me see, where is she? That is her. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, so I just found an account. So these are what I'm talking about. Most people don't know how to create these things. Let's be honest here, right? Most people don't know how to create it. So that's where you're gonna reach out and you can hit people up to try to get it, right? You should add this feature. It would really separate you from the crowd. You can even screenshot some other things and say, here are some of the services that I have to offer, right? You can put it in there. And then you could give them the price when they start to engage. Now, the tool that you can use, you could go on, not Fiverr, you can go on Canva.com. Canva is absolutely free. So once you go on Canva, you could just look on here in the different social media. There's like stories, there's all, because this works in the story. So you can just click on here, and with the story, it does fit in the highlights of this right here. So you could just come on here and you could just simply just create it. So this is a blank one, right? For the sake of this, I'm just gonna put right here, and you could even write email. Let me just do this real quick. Let's say email, You can even get an email folder as well. Email, let's search it. Email folder. Let me look on here. But you can get this on Google. Just get a folder. You could put it on there, right? You could change the color. You don't need to put all this in it. You could just delete this right here. Delete this, take it off, and hang on 1 second. It's not deleting. Not sure why. All right, let me just do this real quick. All right, there we go. So these are what they look like. At first, I thought it was you need to like create a circle, but you don't need to create a circle because this is what it looks like. The person has to add it in their story and then add it to their actual highlights. Once they do that, it'll be up and running. So this is the template that you can use. You could try it, you could tweak it, word it in whichever way you want it. Everything is just a trial and error. Now, I'm not telling you that, yeah, this script is going to be the bomb, diggy bomb, but it's something that you can use and you can apply right away. So again, if you don't want to do this work where you have to create it, because sometimes you're going to have a lot of load, you could head on over to Fiverr or Upwork and you could type in Instagram highlights, because that's what it's called. There we go. Instagram highlights icons. And there is already people over here. Look at this. $10 for one. 10 for one. $5. So even if you charge 5 for 3, at the beginning, it's going to be, you can work out with one of these guys. Reach out to them and say, hey, man, I want to get like X amount. I need some airplanes. Because people like to travel. People like to look cool. They're like, oh, yeah, I'm traveling and, I have a great community and all the type of stuff. So that's how you can make $25 using Instagram without having a huge following. You could hit people up. That's totally cool. Reach out to people. And of course, people are going to reach out back to you. Just check out, see if they have any stories. If not, maybe they'll have highlights. And for some reason, they don't have these nice little cute things. Reach out to them. That's a good way. Not many people are doing this right now because it's just something that is new and it's fresh. I'm sure there's people doing it out there, but it's not a lot. So as always, make sure you jump on it before it's get overcrowded and just start digging. It's going to take you time to do it, but at least you can make $25 just by doing that. And you can even make more if the business started taking off. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My name is Andre. Don't forget my #1 recommendation. Check out the link in the description and I'll send that over to you. I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.